Guys, welcome to another video yet again. So just 2 days ago on my last video, I did call out, you can see in the top right, ticker HOUR at $1.43. And right after that video, this one did have a catastrophic type squeeze and did hit a high of $6.90. So a massive 400% gainer. Called on this channel once again. So drop a quick like for me on this video if you are enjoying this content. Also, guys, remember, I'm not here to sell you anything. These alerts are completely free, and I do have the next penny stock that does have parabolic type potential. Micro float plays are extremely hot right now in the small cap market and the penny stock market. So I do have one that has no dilution. They've had zero dilution since 2016. No open dilution filing. So this means whenever these do get volume and whenever this one does run, there is no open dilution filings that can slow the momentum of these catastrophic type movements. So this is one that does have more cash than their entire market cap. So they do have a $6 million valuation with $7.5 million cash in the bank with a potential merger coming. So that is a potential catalyst, and they do have the cash and a very low cash burn rate, and they do have real revenue coming in. So this is one that has $20 million in total assets, which is, almost 4x their market cap. So this is one that is extremely undervalued and does have parabolic type potential, especially considering these microflow plays are extremely high, and this is one that is trading under $1. So this is probably the only penny stock in the entire market that is trading under $1, that has no dilution, does have a nice cash position with a potential merger coming, and also fitting the low float themes. The company I'm talking about in this video is ticker SSY, Sunlink Health Systems Inc., currently trading at 84 cents. And like I said, this is the only penny stock that does fit the low float theme, that does have a strong cash position and is fundamentally undervalued with a potential catalyst. So I've looked at thousands of tickers, and this is the only one with parabolic type potential that is fundamentally undervalued, that is sitting under $1 per share. So looking at their total revenues for 2024, they did, or for their last fiscal year, they did $32.4 million in revenue, and they only lost $1.5 million. Looking at their most recent quarter, they did $8 million in total revenue, and they only lost $442,000. So keep in mind, you always add 3 zeros to these numbers, but looking on their balance sheet, like I said, they do have a very tiny $6 million valuation, and they do have $7.5 million cash in the bank. They do have another $3 million in net receivables, so this is money that they can actually receive, and total assets are sitting just around $19.6 million, and their total liabilities are sitting at $4.2 million, and they have zero long-term debt. So their balance sheet is looking very good. I'm just considering that they do have real revenue coming in. Now, some of this is from sale of assets. They are actually trying to sell a lot of their assets, and they have completed this and are now looking for a potential merger. So we're going to talk about that in just a few seconds. But looking on Dilution Tracker, historically, the outstanding share count has went down from 9.16 million shares all the way down to 7 million shares, and it has only went down since 2016. Sunlink Health Systems invests in healthcare facilities and related businesses located in the Southeast. So Sunlink's investment strategies targets environments which link patient service needs with dedicated healthcare professionals to deliver quality, compassionate, and efficient healthcare products and services. So they were formed in the year 2000, and they currently hold investments in one community hospital, 2 skilled nursing facilities, a healthcare technology company, a specialty pharmacy company, and related assets. Now, keep in mind, they did just sell off a few of these assets, and they do have a nice, hefty cash position. Something else to really realize is their executive team has over 100 years of combined experience in managing healthcare investments and has a record of success with acquisitions, development, operations, and dispositions of healthcare investments. So I really do like the fact they've historically had no dilution. There are no open dilution filings. They do have years of cash left. So that's looking very good. They are already fundamentally undervalued, and we do have a potential merger coming at any moment. Just depends when that is announced. But they are currently looking for these, and it does state that in their latest 10Q filing in their financials. So in their latest financial filing, the company said they are seeking to achieve a merger or other transaction which among other things provides the potential for growth and shareholder value on what it believes is a reasonable risk to reward basis. So they're actively seeking a merger. They do have the cash to do this. Like I said earlier, they did sell some of their assets, and they have more assets that they can continue to sell as they want to basically use these assets to look for potential mergers. So this one does have a catalyst, and like I said, you're not going to find another play that's under $1 right now that fits the low float theme, one that does have more cash than their market cap, real revenue coming in, pretty much breaking even in terms of their net income. You know, they do have a 5.4 million share float with a 5.88 million share market cap, a very small valuation, and just one that does have a potential catalyst and fits the theme. So that's why we're covering this one, and also has zero dilution. So you factor all of this in, and you think this one should really have a pop. So we do have a very big resistance wall at just under 89 cents around this level. Next big resistance level on the daily is just around this 98-cent level. So let's just say if we do break $1, would see another leg up. The MACD has just switched green, so that is looking very good, showing a nice uptrend. RSI isn't that high, and looking on the weekly, looks like the MACD is about to switch over as well, or very close to doing so. Looking at some other levels I just jotted down here, we do have some resistance at $1. Like I said, that's a big wall right there. And then another level is at $1.15. Next level after that, major resistance at 125. So some key levels to break if volume does start coming in. I'm going to give you guys a tip absolutely for free right now. So whenever you are trying to make better entries in the stock market, especially on plays like with penny stocks, in a lot of cases it's really nice to make an initial starter position. That way, if it does come down, you still have more ammo to average down and get in at a lower price without going all in on your initial position. So you have to have a good risk management and just be patient for the right setups. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just simply giving trading ideas. So you don't want to just jump in on these plays going blindly or buying at the top. You want to really wait for a good entry and do your own research and stuff like that. I'm just giving trading ideas. I will never tell anybody to buy or sell stocks in any way, shape, or form. I'm just giving my ideas and covering plays that I find that I really do like. So just remember that. I did actually recently just get back home, so couldn't really do an in-depth video for you guys. I do have a lot of stuff to do, but hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you have notifications turned on. This is ticker SSY. And when I wanted to get out while the low float theme is still very hot, and this one is trading just around 84 cents as of right now. If you guys did have a good Christmas and have a good New Year, I will be uploading a lot of new plays. So, make sure you have notifications turned on, like I said, so you do not miss these time urgent plays. We're going to go extremely hard in 2025. We're going to go full force. So just remember that, guys, and that's all I have for the video. Let me know in the comments what other plays you're watching, what you think of this play, and I will see you on the next video.